Here we have the FX635, little 2-channel RC plane. It comes fully assembled and ready to fly. Along with the plane, you also get an instruction manual, a spare set of props, a USB charger to charge your 3.7 volt 150 milliamp hour LiPo battery. You also get a controller that requires 2 AA batteries. Okay, this isn't too bad of a flyer. It's not doing any fugoids. It flies pretty flat. Not real hard on the turning. So it does take some wide turns. And I have the throttle all the way up when I'm turning. So that's about as hard as it's gonna turn right there. Well, that's not too bad. Ooh, it takes a little bit of time to go the other direction. Other than that, it's not bad at all. Very easy to fly. Let's bring it back here. So yeah, this is a 2-channel. So there's really nothing to it. You have your accelerator, your throttle right here. And to raise altitude, you just give it more throttle and it just goes higher and higher. And then to come back down, you just give it less throttle. And then you have your left and your right. And then you have the power button right here. Now you saw in the beginning there, it was a up, down, to bind. And that's about it. There's no dual rates or anything else. No trim. It's pretty basic plane. But still very impressive with how easy this is to, oh gosh. I was just saying how easy it is to fly, and I just took it right into the ground. It seems like when it is coming down and you give it full throttle, it does take a while till it like levels out and then starts raising altitude. Good thing this has a rubber tip on it. It's all foam and it is pretty durable for crashes. Now I did crash in the grass, so this thing will handle a crash in the grass no problem. Oh, a hand launch is really nice. I also have a spectator with me right now, and that spectator is my #1 fan. Right there he is. He's watching. Okay, back to the plane. Okay, let's get some nice close shots here because I really like this plane. So easy to fly. Oh no, whoa! I had him scared a little bit. I had him scared. I was a little scared too. Oh no! It's way up there too. Got it! Okay. Rescued out of the tree. I should probably find a better place to fly. I always fly by this tree and then I always end up crashing in the tree. But I really like this plane. This plane is such a good flyer. A little slow on the turning when you go from, see, I'm going right from, whoa. So if you go right to left or left to right, whichever, it's really slow in reacting. So I'm going to the left, and I already seen that it took a while to go to the right. So it does take a while to change direction. That really is the only negative thing that I have about this plane. Flirting with the tree again. But I like this spot, so I love this plane. It's not expensive either. It's pretty cheap. This battery's been going for a while too. Great battery life. Easily 10 minutes of flying. All right, I'm gonna have to bring it down below the horizon there. You might lose it. Come on, get off the throttle. Bring it around, bring it around. Miss the tree. Come on, come on. Ah, well, that was kind of a terrible landing, but the battery's still going. So my little buddy here, he's sick of sitting on the bench watching, so he wants to fly a little bit. Ooh, that's it. It died. The battery is done for. So that was the FX635, and not a bad plane. This is a great flyer. I definitely recommend for any beginner. Great learning plane. I will also put this in for the September giveaway. So let's head back and I'll tell you more details on how you can get entered for a chance to win this plane.
So how the September giveaway is going to work is, yes, you have a chance to win your very own FX635. It doesn't mean this is going to be the giveaway, because I have 2 other RCs for the month of September in the giveaway. Only one of these is going to be won. If you want to enter for this plane, then comment down below. Your comment is your entry. You just have to be a subscriber from the US. But your comment is only your entry for this plane. You have to comment on the video of whichever RC you want to try and win. Because I'm pulling 10 names out of this video, I'm pulling 10 names out of this video, and I'm pulling 10 names out of this video. All those names are gonna go on a wheel. I'm gonna spin the wheel, eliminating names, and whoever's name is left, the last name on the wheel, and whichever video that name came out of, that's the RC that's gonna be the giveaway for September. If you're kinda unsure of how it's gonna work, join me on October 1st when I do the live drawing and we find out who wins which RC. Also, if your name gets picked for the wheel for this one, your name can still get picked for the wheel for these. So somebody could possibly have 3 names on the wheel, 3 chances to win one of these if they get picked out of the comments for all of these. Also, you could get up to 3 chances to win. If your name gets picked out of this video and this video and this video, your name's still gonna go on the wheel because it's for each individual RC. So the more videos you comment on, the better your chance to get picked for one of these. So good luck to everybody who enters the September giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.